This video explores fixing a jammed refrigerator crisper drawer, a common annoyance that disrupts kitchen flow. First, unplug the unit and pull out the drawer to inspect the chrome rails for cracks, warps, or built-up grime. Clean the rails with warm soapy water, dry thoroughly, then apply a thin film of food-grade silicone where metal meets plastic. If the drawer sticks, carefully bend the track tabs back into alignment and replace any broken stops or rollers. To prevent future jams, avoid overfilling, wipe spills immediately, and perform a quarterly slide check with a soft cloth.